Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today, FX top picks for 2024. So we are going to discuss Forex market. I've got quite few of them, so it's gonna be sweet, short and fast just to have a place for all of them. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Fantastic opportunity for all LiteFinance clients. New Year gifts from LiteFinance are waiting for the winners. 5 stages. The first one ending 22nd of January, and we are talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 TB. Second stage January 24th, iPad Pro. The third stage ending January 26th, MacBook Pro 16. Fourth stage ending January 29, 50 prices of 50 each. And fifth stage ending January 31st, 50 prices of $10 each. More details you will find in the link you can find below. Okay, before we start, as usual, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave your comments below. Tell us please, what do you think, what's your opinion about some certain currencies. Anyway, I strongly encourage you to do your own research, do your own homework before risking real money. And let's start with the euro dollar. What you have to remember when it comes to the top picks for the whole year, it's like long-term view. It's really challenging to make this type of the prediction, so I'm trying to do all my best. If you do remember, my almost all top picks for 2023 were correct. I'm not sure what's going to happen this time, but I will try all my best. It's completely different to my preferred trading style, which is day trading. Anyway, euro dollar, that's the monthly chart, and well, that's the downward channel. I love it, and well, I truly believe that we are going to see some move to the downside. Is it going to happen through this year? I have no idea. Why? Because what I'm waiting for, and I'm not going to try to be in front of the move, I'm looking for the test of the top of that channel. In that case, we are talking maybe even of the possible rise towards 114, 115, and I would like to see some kind of the failure here, meaning that I would like to see attempt to go higher with the spike and upper shadow rejection, and that could be the case for me to try to join the party and try to attack the lower band of this downward channel. Okay, but I have one target a little bit earlier. We are talking about the levels close to 90, and I'm taking into the consideration this consolidation to the left, and 50% of that, it's never been tested, as you can see. Now, if we are going to see strong move above, right, this is going to cancel my bearish view for euro dollar, so it's going to cancel this trade. Then we might see the slide through the line, retest something around 105 and trying to go higher from here. That might be alternative scenario if you wanted to play out. So that's how I see euro dollar. The next one is also related to the euro, this time euro versus Japanese yen. It's also monthly chart. In that case, here I'm looking for this consolidation, and 50% of that already been tested, and we are talking about the levels well above 160 up towards 163, 165. So what I'm looking for here is to retest of the December high, and I'm going to scale in higher up to 168.69 with the shy stop above, right? So that's going to be my selling zone, and I'm going to target the level close to 145. So my risk reward ratio here is in the favor of the short position. Now one can argue that's another euro short, why you are so bearish? Well, that's my comment here. I don't wanna go the same sizes in both cases, euro dollar, euro JPY. If you wanna follow two of them, just make half there, half here if you want. Again, do your own research, do your own homework. If I'm going to decide to go here and there, that's my way of thinking. Half size here, half size there, and well, we will see. I don't wanna be overexposed when it comes to the short side of the euro. So that's my idea when it comes to the euro JPY. The next one is Aussie versus US dollar, and it's a very similar story to what we've seen already on euro dollar. And you may want to think and do your own homework, checking Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, and also trying to think about the short there. Again, we already have here, let me show you, a swing high, and we failed at the top of the channel. Now we are testing demand zone, all right? So I'm not gonna be surprised to see attempt to rally from here, and I'm going to watch how the market is going to behave around this swing high, and I'm going to try to fade this swing high with the possible target down towards 63. With very tight stop, that could be quite a good trade. Very similar way, if we are going to see strong close above, we might then see some kind of the slide, retest some levels and trying to push higher. Now, why I in favor of dollar still, even if the many people are looking to fade the dollar, looking for strong rates cut by the FOMC. Well, I think it's an election year and there is still some kind of the inflation, so having strong currency is also the way to fight this high inflation. So that's why I still see this year the dollar might be in a positive way. Again, you might want to see Aussie JPY as well. And briefly, the dollar half and dollar PLN, in both cases still in favor of the dollar. You may want to try to check euro half, euro PLN, for example, but I'm going to make it via dollar. Also very small exposure because the volatility might be higher. So here we are around the very strong support, and basically based on the technical analysis, 333 is my level to try to go long. And well, the first target it might be around 383, but I'm going to target the swing high around 440 when it comes to the USD half. Again, the risk reward is in the favor of longs this time, and the second one, again this year, it was the previous year, is going to be USD PLN. I've been buying around 4 last year, and well, I was very much correct. Now we are testing again some kind of the support. We're trying to find some stops after the election in Poland, the positive outcome, but I don't think, taking into the consideration there are some problems in Poland after the election, as well as the Ukrainian-Russia event not giving the helping hand. What I'm going to look for here is eventually to buy, but a little bit lower this year, and to look for a retest of 50% of that consolidation In that case, we are talking about the levels close to 385, 380, and that's going to be my level of entry in that particular case, especially that might be 1, 2, 3 and strong rally. At least 440 is going to be the first target. Guys, strongly encourage you to do your own homework, own research. Wish you great next trading sessions. See you around, take care and goodbye.